Hey guys, welcome back to my third video, and today we are actually looking at this Slam Attax Live bag. It says 5 cards per packet. It's a 3-pack, it comes in 3, and yeah, get straight into it. Just need to rip this hole open. Alright. We have got these 3 packets. They're all different. They all have different superstars. I think I'm going to start with the women's pack. Alright. We've got a 4-star on the back. Alright. We've got a new card from SmackDown Live, Ty Dillinger. We've got, oh my god, a new card. Yes. We got from WWF, Bob Backlund. That is awesome. Oh my god. We got Bianca Belair. We've got, oh my god. We've got from Raw, the Demon, Finn Balor. Oh my god, he's one of my favourite wrestlers. That's why I stood up for a second. Ooh, yeah, buddy. We got, wait, is there another guy? I don't know. We got a 4-star from Raw 25th Anniversary, the GOAT, Chris Jericho. That's a cool card. Our second pack. Well, which one should I do first? Probably this one. Alright. I don't know which way it is. Alright. Oh my god. There must be some pretty good cards in this pack because it was hard to open. Ooh, okay, we got from SmackDown Live, Tom Phillips. We got from WWF, Eddie Guerrero. We got from 205 Live, Drake Maverick. We got from Raw, Ember Moon. Woo! And we got Raw 25th Anniversary, the Nature Boy, Ric Flair. Now we're going on to the last pack. Hope I have some luck. Well, I already had luck, but still. That blocking card, I can't get over it on that. Alright, we got Technique. Sorry, there's also down Technique card on the back. We have the SmackDown Live, Ember Moon. I meant Naomi. Why did I say Ember Moon? Yeah, we got Naomi. Oh, sweet. We got from WWF, Prince Albert. Alright, we got from NXT, TM61. We got from Raw, Breezango! I did not know you could get that card. That is sick. And we've got a Champions card from NXT, Shayna Baszler. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a big fat thumbs up, subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.